Hi guys, I've been getting a lot of questions this week on how to access some of the assignments this week that's located all in Canvas. What you need to do is you need to go find your Texas history, click on it, and so you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. I'm going to go to student view so you can see. Alright. This week's assignment you're going to go to resources, click resources, okay. You're going to see all your modules. Monday, this week assignment was to do the quiz. So you're going to click on Unit 8 and there's the quiz. You're going to click that, complete it, submit it, and when you do that, this one will open. You see where it says complete all items? It's saying that you have to have done this quiz first before you can even open Unit 9. Okay, so you see where this one is, these down here, you can't see them. They're kind of like faded out. It's because you have to do them in order. This one was yesterday's assignment for the CAMI. Okay, you have to go in and you have to click and you have to highlight the information in the CAMI assignment. Once you're done with that, you're going to click Mark as Done. And when you do that, you can go back to the home page. Once you're done with that and you clicked as done, let me refresh my screen. This one will open. See how it became bolded and these are still? This is the one you were asking me about today. Where is the video? It's right here. You're going to click on They Had a Dream Too. The video is here. You're going to watch it. You're going to click play. And then once you're done, here's the Padlet where you're going to put your thoughts and everything that I've asked you to do on Padlet. Once you're done with that, you're going to click Mark as Done. And then you're going to go back to the beginning. Let me refresh my page. And then this one opens. So you have to do them in sequential order or they will not open. I hope this helps. If y'all have any more questions, please email me.